My name is Mike Salvi with ChainBytes, and today I'm going to show you how to load your paper roll. Take your paper, make sure you have plenty of slack. You can never have too much. Slide your hand down behind here and feel for this slot. That's where you want to put your paper in. Feed the machine, you'll feel it grab it. Loosen them up. You're done. Now, to double check to make sure it went through, close your machine. Buy Bitcoin, $1 to $4.99, print paper wallet. BTM operators, we have successfully changed the paper roll. If your paper wallet doesn't print out, just turn the printer off, turn it back on again. If that doesn't work, just reboot your machine.